I was listening to Nas earlier. I was listening to my Book of Rhymes. So I'm gonna start doing that. Volume 1. Let's see what we got up in this rusty old notebook. This is an old notebook. You can see my handwriting never changed over the years. I'm telling you, rap shit, boy. You ain't do shit forever and ever. You just can't stop. Let's see what's this right here. Yeah, like that. We'll see. Feed me Seymour around the corner from Chadwick. Dope fiends and zombie shorty body is mad thick, but that bitch got the monster. Ooh, her pussy scary. Like Jesus' mother, period. My drink's a Bloody Mary. Looking at this white chick type slim like Carrie. She could want heroin or crack, yeah, that varies. This Henny, this Ari, this is Pet Cemetery. I killed my fucking cat and the neighbor had him buried. Don't cry, don't worry, don't die in a hurry. Flat line cut short like the month of February. Valentine's Day massacre, your heart-shaped sweets. I'ma do it like Hannibal, the cannibal in me. Turn into an animal, full moon upon the sea. I kill, capture, and werewolf. Nigga, I'm a beast. Wow. Yeah, let's see. Oh, alright. Grand Theft Auto pump the cannon out the ride. I ain't playing San Andreas, homie, you could really die. Put a finger in the sky, standing looking at it while fuck the world like my girl till that motherfucker cry. Who am I? Big V, Brick City, GMC, Mr. U, Condon Alley, Ali Oxenfree, coming out screaming shout. Polly with a spotted T, with an LIXL, everything they wanna be. All money, young money, it don't matter what it looks. Like Big Pun and Beat Nuts, we could get it off the books. Got a chick that could cook and a nigga that's a bagger. Got a gun that strike like a cottonmouth adder. Get him madder than a rapper on a Bad Boy skit. You's an actor, not a rapper, you ass boy shit. Whew. Yeah, volume 1.